Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode on Ferret Business. I'm of course joined today by the Vulture, Moons of Mine. I am a cockatrice, and yeah, in today's episode we're going to be setting up a few more of our machines that we have laying around in my bag. Let's get started. I'm going to actually change myself back to me if I can get to it. There we go. I know there's a quicker way, but I'm too lazy to find it. Now, I've already dug a hole, and I was going to do this off camera, but I thought, you know what, now I'm going to show you guys how to set it up. So there's a power cable under there going to this here, and I actually had a thought whilst starting the recording. Why don't we just attach this thing straight up to our power network? So I'll pick this up. I mean, it's probably not going to be useful anyway, but I'm still going to attach it. This here, and like so. I'm just going to put this here, and oh no, hit this, and then get our daylight sensor set up. So that will work only, there we go, it's transmitting a charge, but we're not using any power, so yeah, it's not using any charge. Anyway guys, I will be back in a second. Alright guys, I'm back. Sorry about that quick cut there. Anywho, in here we go. I'm going to be putting our bees in here. I've got most of the machines on me and most of the things we need, and I'm going to have to tear out, I think, this block, these blocks, just so I can get in and out with no hassle. And we're going to bring our power across. Thank you. Up and up. Yeah, just there's fine for now. And under these we're going to throw item conduits in there. Connect it, connect it. Are you really? Thank you. There we go. I'm going to get these set up first actually. Yep, you can place barrels facing any way. If I placed it this way, the face would be that way. Yeah, you get the gist of it. This one and this one. And then I don't know if it's space for an upgrade. There is not. That's a pain. I will have to upgrade these. So, the barrels are for storing the things we get from our bees. You'll see soon. I do need to get down in here though to configure this cabling. So we need to set these to insert. I'm going to set these to 1 because we're going to have an overflow chest just in case we get something that doesn't play nice with the system. There, and then where are we? There she is. There's our Imperial. I'll put you there a second. Grab that, and grab that. Yeah, she's collected quite a few for us. And lock them so that they don't lose track. So we've got 2 extra drones there, but I mean we've probably got more with these guys. Ow. So put that one there. I'm going to go all the way around. I was planning on doing them 2 to 3 high, but I'll do that once we've got, yeah, a few more. At the moment we only have these 1 here. Back down. And we need to get into all of these, so we may need to go down even more. Yep. Actually, we can do it from the top. Extract and turn it off redstone mode. This one's the one where it's gonna, there we go. Yeah, I was gonna say, is it taking it out? It is, yeah, it's taking all of these cones, and then it'll get to the royal jelly. Yeah, beautiful. So we actually have our bees up and running again. They've been in hiatus for so long, poor things. I do need to start setting up the breeding them again though. That would be ideal. Put our chest here. It's lost all of the settings I'd put in here. They've all gone, all the tabs. So I'm going to have to set that up again, which is going to be fun. I'll grab all of our gene samples, although I'm going to have to do it this way because it does not like to play fair. And where are we? So 1. Excuse me. Cleared it. There we go. But yeah, now we've got this set up again, we can actually work on bee breeding again. That'd be great. To be fair, what biome are we in? Savannah. So if I took that out, this would stop working. Yeah, okay. I need to get more plains emulators. Oh, that's gonna be fun. I have to get silk touched grass, or make the grass, whichever comes first. I have a feeling she's going to fill them really quickly because she's a fast worker, if I remember rightly from when we started breeding these things. We need, oh wait, no, already on me. Genetic samplers there, genetic imprinter I don't have on me. So Banch Mutatron and Mutagen Producer. I'm going to put these guys next to each other there, just so I can throw the Yellorium in to make this mutagen. This is going to be the permanent home for the bees. I have no plans to move them anymore, so don't worry if you think, oh great, another setup. No, this is it. They're not going anywhere now. They live here forever. What are you working on, Moons? Are you doing some building? Maybe. Genetic sampler. What you? If you can find everything you want, what are you after? I might know where it is. It's alright, you're nebbing.
I don't know what it's for. I don't know what it's for.
I'm missing a machine. Nope, I'm not. I found it. There we go. And is that the comb there? Dripping? Yeah. And then it is royal jelly. Do I have any of that? I do. Tons of it. These should all be empty. Say should. They are. Okay, good. And then all we have left in here really is our upgrades. Automation ones. Storage 27 for barrels. They'd be useful, but not yet. I've got all of the like bookshelves and things from the other house, by the way. They're just in this bag. If you ever need them or want them, name them. Yeah, things like that. For these and these. I think we got some new bees, didn't we? When I went out collecting some. Alright, April there. April there. Let's check. We got a marshy, and we also got. Oh, I remember. I wanted to start looking at this infernal bee, although I don't think we can even breed anything with that we want. Not yet. Excuse me. So, throw her in there a second, and this one in here a second, just so they can breed together. Yeah, I'd kind of guess you'd have no. Yeah, let's have a look, see what kind of traits these guys have got. Where are you? There we are. Be Eliza. So our marshy bee has. Oh, it likes mushrooms. Yeah, no. And of course she's pristine stock, and she will give us a mossy comb, which I believe gives you propolis. So let's check. Mossy comb. It can be used to make. There we go. No, it does not. Okay, it's just beeswax and honey. What about her? Flower type, never. What? Its effect is aggress, which I believe is it will do damage to you when you're close to it. I'm not entirely sure. It could be strength. I don't know. We'll try. We can. I cannot actually. I can't take that trait off of her if I put her in here, because our template has got this. Yeah, where is it? No, it doesn't. I don't think we've put it on. No, we don't. Okay, good. I've not stolen that one then. We're gonna have to. So throw her in, throw that in. Excuse me. Nope. And 2. I swear after there. I was gonna say, I swear I had some of those. Grab all 16 of you guys. And we also need a chest. There we go. Yeah, I really should. I'm gonna sort this properly so it will pipe under. In fact, we'll do it now. We need to go here. These boots are not that helpful when they just keep pulling me around everywhere. And then I need these to fix that all. You can go under there. You can go there, I guess. You can go there. Yeah. Effect beatific. Okay, so we did not have the effect on this bee, I believe. We'll see what she does. See how much she hurts. I hope. I may need to get a biome upgrade for her actually. I keep saying her, and that's because she's a queen. So I mean, she's female. She has to be, otherwise she won't be a queen. Okay, no flowers. What do you mean no flowers? Rocks. Okay, that's strange. I've never had. I'm gonna go grab a piece of cobblestone just for the sake of it. Did you find everything you needed, Moons?
I think so.
Good, 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 good. Oh, 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 she hurt me. Yep, yeah. Okay, 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 okay. I don't want that, thank you. Jeez. Okay, so she started working and decided she wanted to sting me 1,000 times. Right, effect, beatific. And where is... Oh, it's in there. Combine that. Let's get rid of that damaging effect. I'll be back in a sec, guys. Alright guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. And yeah, I'll be no longer, well, hopefully no longer will stingers. Yeah, beatific, which is regeneration. Where are we? We'll put you in there again. Happy days. Automation, and I'm going to shorten her lifespan just so we get more drones. I know this means it's going to pull these combs out, and yeah, it's probably going to mess up my entire system, which is great. Did I not sort that properly? Ooh, did I not? And I have not put an overflow chest in either, so if I just go here, that's what I get for trying to rush ahead. Here, move this, put that there. Nope. Disable that. Disable that. I know it doesn't make much difference, but I still want to, just in case. I need to try and get there. Into it. And only go in there when it needs to. Beautiful. Marshy Queen is the same, she needs to go in here, but I don't think she's going to work in this area. Got a lovely regeneration effect on us over time, that's great. Why do I have a feeling though this one is not going to... I'm going to have to re-spec her, so to speak. Do we have... I don't really need more of the same bee. I may need to do a different setup for our breeding, just so I don't end up getting these full of trash. I could actually make some more productions. Don't think I need to. Ooh, are we really on that kind of a power drain? Is it daytime? No, it's nighttime. So in theory, this should be putting in quite a bit. If I get rid of this, no, we're still on minus 80. Why are you? Does that help? I lagged. Okay. These guys are not putting down. Extract only. Will they now? No. I have no clue why these are not. That doesn't make a difference at all. Okay, so apparently my wind farms are not powering anything down here. What? Now they are? Are you? That doesn't make any sense. Those ones aren't. Those are. What? What? Why are these three full, but those are empty? I don't know. I have no. Ooh, that's nice. Just turn around and see your blocks. It's like, ooh, pretty. Calms me right down. Ow! You evil, evil queen. Go back in there. She doesn't like me. Can you? Do you mean no flowers? I understand the no dry, too dry, but do you mean no flowers? You can go back in here. So yeah guys, we have our bees set up and it means I can actually sit and do some breeding, because as you can see we have found 11 out of 284 different bee species. Yeah, there's quite a few. I can't see us getting them all in this series. If we do, that'd be great. I think in the next episode I'm going to show you another use for power, and that is growing crops like magical crops, if you've ever used that, but it takes a bit more time and power to do so. If I can figure out what on earth is happening with those power farms. As you can see, Moons is expanding the top of these to make it look nicer. She's going for this kind of ear. I have no clue what the pattern's supposed to be, but it does look nice. I like it. I'm happy with it. Anyway guys, I have been TheKalose and this is Moons of Mine. We have been playing on the Ferret Business mod pack. You can find it on the Feed the Beast launcher and also on the Twitch launcher. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. It's been all about resetting up our pesky bees, and we're going to keep getting this hellish one, infernal, sorry, one going until she's ready to actually be a contributing member to our society. Yes. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next one. Take care now. Bye bye.